Hey guys, today we are going to make high-end budget gaming PC. Before starting building this budget gaming PC, let's unbox all the components first. First, the motherboard. For the motherboard we are going to use Gigabytes Ultra Adorable B660. No unnecessary features or fancy RGB, but it's good motherboard for gaming. Intel Core i3 13th Gen processor. Powerful enough to handle most of the latest, and all of the old games. For the storage we use, ADATA Legend 710, M.2 SSD. Kingston Fury, dual-channel DDR4 RAM sticks. Colinx, Umbra Void, 120mm RGB fans. Cooler Masters 650-watt power supply. A PC case. Now let's head to our main component, a graphics card. This card cost almost half of the budget of this PC. But it's going to be worth it. Guys, let me introduce you to RTX 4060 Ti. A monster graphics card for the budget gaming PC. Huawei MateView GT, a second-hand gaming monitor. Now we ran out of budget, and we still missing few components. Second-hand keyboard and mouse. Second-hand headphones. Hammer, if the components we bought doesn't work properly. A mouse pad. Perfecto. Second-hand speakers. Now let's try building our new budget PC. On next video, we are going to test games on this new budget gaming PC. So stay tuned until then.